Hi. So this is what happens when you hit a guardrail at 40 miles an hour. It should be like this. So hopefully that's the only issue. So we're doing this, we're doing those coilovers over there, those wheels, those spacers. Yeah. But yeah, these coilovers are some cheap eBay coilovers. Don't know how they're gonna last. Don't know how they're gonna feel. But you never know if you don't try it out.
You want me to start loosening bolts on this side?
Yeah, for the strut, yeah.
Alright.
I'm not doing the tie rod on this one.
Alright.
It's a 19, it's over here.
Alright.
Here's a 19 right for the bottom.
We're in. Got 2 coilovers in. We got 3. Oh wait, no, this is out. How's it going?
You try to stick it all the way in.
Oh yeah.
You see that gap right there? Try to get it all the way in.
Maybe put a bolt in, like the nut, and see if it pushes it in.
It pushes in. Alright. Because it takes this flat.
Oh, does it fit? Or no?
It's gonna be like that.
Damn, it's getting there, right?
Yeah.
It's easy.
It's almost done.
1 wheel on. Right now it's not sitting on the floor, but I think it's gonna look pretty good. It's still missing the side skirts. Side skirts are over there. Yep. And we're gonna do like a little ghetto alignment at the end. And after that, we're gonna take it to the alignment shop. But hopefully that spacer cleared it. Cause you see how like close it comes to the wheel. But yeah, it's getting there. Got a full body work done, full paint job done. Just little stuff. We installed coilovers. The backs, they turned out pretty good. We didn't have to mess with those. But we're lifting the car for the 3rd time to adjust it 1 more time. Probably gonna drop it another inch. Because I'm not trying to go that stance life, I'm just trying to cover that wheel gap. But it's getting there. We'll show you after it's done. Well, coilovers, wheels, and spacers are done in the Skyline.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Huh? I didn't know I was gonna get that wet.
You know that J Buffalo ain't.
Let me see.
It's all right here.
Damn, este mojaste.
Yeah.
The thing is, a 2-step, then he got wet. His panties got wet.
You be like, yeah, you be like, turn the wheel all the way left.
It's alive.
It's alive. Turn all the way right. Okay, put it straight now. Yeah. The steering was great, right? I'm surprised it is. The
Yeah, the coilovers are on.
I'm about to take it out after like 8 months of not driving it. We're just gonna pull it out real quick to see how it looks in the sunlight, because the guy still needs to buff it out, polish it and all that. Feels good driving it.